Hi and welcome to OurKidsCode. I'm Mary and I'm going to show you how to write the rock, paper, scissors program for your rock, paper, scissors wristband using the microbit. So here you've put in makecode.microbit.org and you've landed on this homepage. This is the microbit homepage. So to get started, we'll click on New Project. We're going to give our project a name. Let's call it RPS for rock, paper, scissors. And then we'll click Create. And here we are in the programming area. So since it's your first time, let's take a tour. You can see on the left, this is what's called the microbit simulator. It looks just like the real physical microbit, but here it will show you what your program will do when you have it downloaded, and that lets you troubleshoot. If something doesn't work here, it won't work on the physical one, so you can tweak your program, change it, make sure it's doing exactly what you want it to do before you download it onto the physical microbit. Next, we have this menu of blocks, and these are all bits of coding that you can stick together to make your program. So you can drag the blocks out from here into the workspace. And this is where you snap your blocks of code together to build the program that you want to build. So today we're going to build a rock, paper, scissors wristband. So let's follow the instructions. First, we're going to go to the input section, click on it, and the block that we want is on shake. So that means our program is going to run when we shake the microbit. The next thing we're going to do is go to variables, click there. We want to make a variable, and we're going to call our variable shape. Okay, click OK. And now we have all these variable blocks to choose from. We want set shape to. So let's click that, bring it out, and just pop it in the space under onShake. And you can see how the little space opens up to let the block in. So there's room for all the blocks we need to put inside of onShake. So next we're going to go to the math section. And we're going to scroll down to pick random from 0 to 10. Click on that, bring it out. And what we want to do is replace the 0 in set shape to 0 with pick random 0 to 10. So you can see when I get it close, you get 2 red dots with a yellow string between them. And then if I let go, blink, it goes in and covers up the 0. Great. So now we're just going to change the numbers. Instead of pick 0 to 10, if I click on it, I can change the 0 to 1. And if I click on the 10, I can change that to 3. So we want to pick random from 1 to 3. Now we're going to go back for a new block. This time we're going to the logic section. And the first one on the list is if true then. So that's the one we want. So let's drag it out. And we're going to stick it in underneath set shape 2. So we want it under set shape 2, but inside the onShake. And now we're going to do go back to logic again and get a 0 equals 0 block. And bring it out. And this time we're going to put this over the true block. So you can see how the 2 red dots come up and the little yellow line. And then if I let go, that replaces that. Now we're going to go back to variables. This time we just want a shape. So we're going to take shape out and put it over the first 0 rather. Put it over the first 0. And again, I get my 2 red dots. I let go. And there. Now shape is in that place. So we're going to change this number to 1. The next thing we're going to do is go to Basic, click on Show LEDs, drag that out. And if we put this right in under if shape equals 1, there we go. And let's make this look like a rock. So you're going to talk to your designer and see what they want the rock to look like. But if we follow the basic instructions, we're just going to make that look like rock. Okay, so that talks you through the first few steps of rock, paper, scissors. What you'll do next is run these same steps again and make another if-then block and another one. And the second one you'll change it to number 2. The third one you'll change it to number 3. The second one will make it look like paper, and the third one you'll make look like scissors. So I'm going to do that the fast way. And just click duplicate. I'm going to make that a number 2, and I'm going to change these to something that looks like paper. And then I'll duplicate this again. Pop it under. Change this to 3. And change this to scissors. Okay, and now my program is finished. And you can see that if I go over here to the simulator and I click on the shake button, it's going to show me randomly scissors, rock, scissors, paper, scissors, scissors again, and now rock, rock again, scissors, paper. So that's what I want. I want it to randomly show you rock, paper, scissors. So you can also make it shake by running the mouse over it, but I find that button is a little more reliable. So there you go. That's your rock, paper, scissors wristband code. The next step is to download, and we'll do that in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.